If you want to know how to create a business vision statement and what's needed for such a vision to really work, then stay tuned. For the best leadership advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. What makes a great business vision? What do you need to take into account to create a business vision statement? A vision statement usually describes the future. That's where we are going. The big guiding star, so to speak. Don't get confused with mission and vision. The mission defines what our task is. Some people may say the mission is important to the outside world and it tells why we exist and what our job is. Personally, I don't think this distinction is particularly useful because people keep totally confused about mission and vision. In my opinion, it's also not helpful to say that the mission is rather for the outside and the vision is for the inside or vice versa. In the end, in my opinion, the smartest way is to combine mission and vision. It's to say there is a vision and it has to answer both explicitly or implicitly. Where do we go and what are we doing? In that way, you don't need to make this distinction. Whether vision or mission, one thing is imperative. When I speak of a vision, I mean a guiding star, something that is vague but emotional. The business vision describes a great picture in the future or for the future. It's something people can connect to. It's something you can inspire people with. When you create a business vision, take care that it has the following 5 important points. These points characterize a successful working business vision. Number 1, a true vision must be emotionally charged. It must inspire, at least it must address a certain type of people and exactly the one I want to pick up with. And that's how it gives energy. Second, a true vision sets the direction. The vision is vague. It doesn't give details. That's important. Number 3, a true vision paints a desirable picture of the future. Do you remember the famous speech of Martin Luther King? There he described a vision with the words, "I have a dream." He didn't say, "I have a plan." Also, the vision doesn't give details. It's unmistakable. It positions and differentiates. And that's why business vision statements like, we will be the number 1 in our market and offer the best quality at the lowest prices. That's not just nonsense. Nobody can deliver the lowest price at the best quality in the long run. No, it's also exchangeable. Such a statement doesn't position. It doesn't explain anything. It doesn't explain the why. And that's what a good business vision statement should do, explicitly or implicitly. Number 4, a true vision is not fixed in time. A business vision has no deadline. In the year 2025, we will be the best in our blah, 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 blah. No, that's nonsense. If it has a deadline, it might be a goal, but it's not a vision. Number 5, a true vision is a desirable improvement of the current situation. It includes and expresses a clear customer benefit. In the best case, it provides significant added value, not just for a customer segment, but for society as a whole. This makes it desirable for a large number of people and they can connect with this vision. These 5 points are the hallmark of a good corporate vision. As a positive example for this, I gladly take again and again the vision of Wikipedia. Imagine a world in which every single person is given free access to the sum of all human knowledge. This is a true vision. It's emotionally charged. It may not inspire all people, but some who then say, I think that's great. When everyone has access to all human knowledge, I want to support this and I want to even be a part of this project. This vision sets a direction, but no details. It's not fixed in time. There aren't no deadlines. It clearly expresses the benefits and it describes a really high added value for society. If you want to see more examples of good and bad business visions, click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.